Hello folks, this is Liu Video channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish is called the Tofu and Scallions Salad. Chinese name called 小葱拌豆腐. And the main ingredient we need a piece of tofu. It should be a little firm but not too soft. And we also need 2 to 3 scallion or green onion. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the scallion. This scallion already washed, so we cut the root off. Already wash it and peel the bad leaves. So right now we just cut it.
Get out there.
So cut it. Try to cut it small, not too big. Try to cut like this big. This is scallion or green onion we get. Okay, we cut the tofu. This tofu we cut it to open. So we just put it let's see. The tofu. Okay, put it here and we cut it. Okay, we cut the tofu. This tofu, we cut it like this. So it will be like this thing. We keep going. After that, we put it like this. Then we cut it from the middle. Then we cut it. So the final will be like this piece. Then we put the tofu put it into a strainer. We process the tofu before we make the salad. This is the tofu we get. Okay, we use the boiling water. The boiling water to rinse the tofu. Be careful, don't burn by the hot water, the boiling water to rinse the tofu. Then we strain the water. And then we turn cool tap water, then rinse the tofu again to let tofu cool down. We use the hot water try to get rid of the bean that taste. Some people don't like that taste, so this is a good way to use the hot water and to get rid of it. So we use the cold water just to cool down the tofu. Okay, I think the tofu right now. Just cool down top the water. And put it here to drain the water. We added the drained water tofu into the pot mixing pot. This is chopped scallion or green onion we added to it. This is plain salt. We add 1 teaspoon plain salt to it. Not too much. If it's not enough, you can add more later. This is vinegar. You can use a red vinegar. Any vinegar is okay. This is brown vinegar. We add 1 teaspoon to it. This is the soy sauce. This is soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. This is the sesame oil. We add a few drops of sesame oil to it. Not too much. If you like spicy, you can add some chili oil. You can buy the chili from Asian market, or you can make the chili oil at home. I have videos to show you how to make a chili oil. You can add some chili oil if you want a little spicy. It's all up to you. Then we mix it and just just like this, make it. Don't go one clock size one. Just make it like this. Let the tofu be thin. Don't worry, the tofu, some tofu will become small, so don't worry, it's okay. I think it's okay. Let me try it. That's good. So we put it, add to a plate. Okay, done. So the tofu scallion salad, Chinese name called 小葱拌豆腐. This dish is done. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and see you next time.